Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my JavaScript series. In today's video, we'll learn what are objects, why objects are important, object syntax, properties and values, accessing object properties, updating object properties, adding new properties, object methods, real-world examples, common beginner mistakes, and interview tips. Objects are one of the most important concepts in JavaScript. Without objects, user profiles cannot be stored properly, e-commerce products cannot be managed efficiently, banking applications become difficult to build, and real-world applications become impossible. So let's master JavaScript objects. Section 1. What are objects? An object is a collection of related data stored as key-value pairs. Think of an object like a student ID card. A student has name, age, department, and college. All related information is grouped together. Example, let student equal to name John, age 21, course JavaScript. These are key-value pairs. Explanation. Here name, age, and course are called properties. Here John, 21, and JavaScript are called values. Real-world examples. User profile, product details, bank account, cab booking information, and social media account. Section 2. Why objects are important. Imagine storing user details. Without objects, let name equal to John, let age equal to 21, let city equal to Chennai. Each value has more memory, difficult to manage. Using object, let user equal to name John, age 21, course JavaScript. Everything stays organized. Objects help us store related data, improve readability, build real applications, reduce complexity, and manage large projects. Section 3. Object syntax. Let object name equal to key 1, value 1, key 2, value 2. Example, let car equal to brand BMW, color black, price 5 million. Explanation, brand BMW, color black, price 5 million. Everything inside curly braces is an object. Section 4. Accessing object properties. We can access properties using dot notation. Example, let student equal to name John, age 21. Console.log student.name, output, John. Another example, console.log student.age, output, 21. Real-world example, accessing username, product price, and bank balance. Section 5. Updating object properties. Objects are flexible. We can change values anytime. Example, let student equal to name John, age 21, student.age equal to 22, console.log student, output, name John, age 22. Here age is changed from 21 to 22. Section 6. Adding new properties. We can add new properties after object creation. Example, let student name John, student.city equal to Chennai, console.log student, output name John, city Chennai. Real-world example, adding address, phone number, and email. Section 7. Object methods. Objects can store functions. Functions inside objects are called methods. Example, let book equal to name React, read, function of, console.log, hello. Book.read, output, hello. Explanation, read is a method. Methods define behavior. Section 8. Real-world uses of objects. Objects are everywhere. User profiles, product details, banking applications, Instagram accounts, cab booking apps, food delivery apps, student management systems, and full-stack applications. Section 9. Common beginner mistakes. Mistake 1. Missing quotes. Wrong. Name, John. Correct. Name, John. Mistake 2. Wrong property name. Student.name. Here you use uppercase name instead of lowercase name. Property is student.name. JavaScript is case-sensitive. Mistake 3. Using square brackets instead of curly braces wrong. Let user equal to square brackets. Correct. Let user equal to curly braces. Objects use curly braces. Summary. Today we learned what are objects, why objects are important, object syntax, properties and values, accessing properties, updating properties, adding new properties, object methods, real-world examples, and common beginner mistakes. Objects are one of the foundations of JavaScript. Master objects and you'll be ready for DOM manipulation, APIs, JSON, React.js, full-stack development. Outro. Now you clearly understand JavaScript objects. In the next video, we'll learn JavaScript star patterns interview question. Like this video, share it with your coding friends, subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials, keep learning, keep coding, and keep growing. See you in the next video.
Wow.